TBC and CLC. We are standing behind a waterfall, which is so cool. Let's go up. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. There's the waterfall, and there it goes. And we took a little bath. I took a big bath, or maybe like a shower. So pretty. There's the waterfall. Okay, there it is. Now we go straight up. There. This is a crazy view. Amy's trying to make it up. The dogs are partying down below. And we are on Ron's Ranch in Oregon. And it's so cool! Yeehaw! It's like a movie set. Bye-bye.